All right, welcome back, Focus crew. So we're back in the Focus, 2005 Ford Focus ST, and in today's episode, we are going to be diagnosing the P0193 and 93 fuel temperature sensor issue. When I start the car, it's kind of hard to start. The simple solution today is to replace the pressure sensor. All right, so we got the engine bay open. Here on top of the fuel rail right here is the pressure sensor regulator, and it might be fuel temp regulator. It might have the same name, if you will. We're going to replace this, but first we're going to start the car and get it running. We're going to come over here to the fuse box here and pull the number 15 amp fuse. We need to pull here, and the car will shut off. You'll see in a second. Stay focused. Run starts. Some of the symptoms you get with a pressure sensor or fuel pressure sensor not working correctly is a very hard start, which I have here was a pretty hard start, and I'm going to try to rectify that by changing out that fuel pressure switch. So let's go pull that fuse and shut the car off. Let me actually roll down my window first, just in case the car wants to lock itself. Come over here, we'll pull our little tab, if I can get it out, that is. There we go. And then we'll come right here to that fuse 15 and attempt to yank it out. Oh my gosh. Geez, I'm probably the only person in the world currently trying to get something out, just having problems removing a fuse. Let me go get another tool. All right, pair of pliers here. Gotta be careful with these. Oh my gosh. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna put back the fuse now that the car's off. It's important that you do not restart the car because it will repressurize, and you don't want it to repressurize because you'll get fuel all in your face. All right, so with the sensor now changed, we're going to restart the car and see if that fixed our problem. Oh yeah, that sounds much better. I have to see if I can get my check engine code reader and see what is still on. Something I have going on with my door. Hold on one second. Since I have this disconnected, this will throw a code as well. So I gotta make sure that this is the only thing that's showing up right now and not anything else going on with the engine itself or fuel system. So let me go grab that. I'll be right back. All right, so there you go. You got the check engine light is off. and once I get through recording the screen, I'll show you on the car's front. But just listen to this while looking at this screen. Crazy, right? Let me take you out. There we go. This thing makes it pretty gnarly. Like it sucks in a lot of air. Feels good. It's crazy. All right, so for me, it looks like this is a fix. You know, if you have the same problem with your Focus, try swapping out that fuel pressure regulator, like you saw, you know, in the mix of this video, and hopefully that solves your problem. If not, you got to dig a little deeper and keep going down the chain. I will stop mine here. If I do have another problem with it, I'll do an update video if there's an extra issue, but as it looks like, I am all in the clear. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. For real, you can leave me a comment, you know, down here in the comment section. You can leave me a comment over on Instagram, Twitter. Check me out on Rumble. Check me out on TikTok. I have a lot of stuff going on, doing other things in the Focused Hands universe that you may or may not find interesting if you have the time to do so. You know, help a brother out here. Anyway, with all that said, Focused Hands signing off. Peace.